Don't tell me it's overactivated. Really? And voila, there it is. Being a drama queen. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Slimeatory! Alright guys, so today I am going to be comparing $20 worth of slime supplies at Walmart versus $20 worth of slime supplies at the dollar store. As you can see, there's a lot more, and yeah. Honestly, this was actually a very big eye-opener for me. So yeah, I really love doing this challenge at the dollar store. Now, Walmart was kind of hard because I was on a budget. It's just, yeah. And today's like my challenge, you get to comment down below. Where's your favorite place to go to buy slime supplies? I like to go to Walmart. But I also really love the dollar store because it's the dollar store. So yeah. Alright guys, let's get straight on into the video. Alrighty guys, so first we're gonna do Walmart. So here's the Walmart bag. We have 3 bags of dollar store and 1 bag of Walmart. Oh my god. I forgot the containers. Great. Alrighty guys, here's all the stuff. So we got 2 bottles of Crazy Art glue, white glue, 1 bottle of clear glue, a bottle of liquid starch, and some snack cups for the container, some shaving cream, and some food coloring. So yeah. Alrighty, so first we're gonna make some white slime. We're gonna make some white fluffy slime. Okay, there's a seal on this, isn't there? I love how like Crazy Art doesn't even it's not even for school, you know? I mean, who wants this big of a nozzle to make some, you know, some type of project? Alrighty, now we're gonna go ahead and put some shaving cream. We're gonna try and make it a bright green. So I put 2 drops of yellow and 1 drop of this green. You know the neon colors is more expensive than the other colors? Alright, we're gonna put more. Wow, my other food colorings are a lot stronger than these. I have not used these in a while. Now we're gonna go ahead and activate it with liquid starch. This is actually the first activator I've ever used. It's very great if you don't feel like, you know, making borax or something. But it is foggy, so you can't make any clear slime with it. It's not that bad. There it is, guys. There's my beautiful green fluffy slime. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get all the excess.
Wait, there you go.
Alrighty guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and put it in our container, and I completely forgot that we only have 4-ounce containers, so there you go. Alright guys, let's go ahead and try and make our clear slime now. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and put our clear glue. There we go. And we're gonna put our coloring. We're gonna make it orange. Ooh, is it gonna turn peachy? I hope it turned, nope, okay. Alright, we also got this neon yellow glitter. I love this glitter because it's like 98 cents and it is gorgeous. All right, let's go ahead and activate. Hopefully it doesn't look too bad. Oh my god. The first slime I made, guys, is actually Galaxy slime with liquid starch. So, and I don't remember it being too foggy and too bad. So I think it doesn't seem too foggy. Like, it seems like it goes away. This is actually turning out really nice, guys. Almost done, guys. Here it is. It didn't turn out too bad. It's like not even that foggy. All right, well this turned out pretty good. Put it in our cup and voila. And we'll do a little slime smoothie too while we're at it. Alrighty guys, well that's all I have for the Walmart one. I mean, I have more glue and stuff, but I mean, I don't really have anything else. I'm gonna try and make a thick slime. White glue, mix that. It's gonna be a glossy. We're gonna make it yellow. Shaving cream. A little bit of glitter. Oh, it's activating because of the clear glue. Isn't that cool, guys? The Crazy Art clear glue activates with shaving cream. There it is, guys. It turned into some type of peachy looking slime, which I like. And it didn't turn out too bad. I like the texture. It's like a really thick, fluffy slime. Although I cannot wait for the dollar store version because there's gonna be so much more I could do. Alright guys, that is that. Here's the slimes we made. And we still have half of this glue bottle, a third of this glue bottle.
No.
Two-thirds.
Yeah.
2/3 of this glue bottle. A fourth, 2/3 of this bottle, I think. Sherry cream. We still basically have a lot of stuff. And this is all for $20, so yeah. Alright guys, so now it is time for the dollar store section. We got a lot more stuff. We got pom-poms. We got, these are not. That's for me. Anyways, we got hand soap, we got foam soap, we got paint, shaving cream, lotion, baby oil gel, glitter, foam beads because it is Christmas time now and they put these in ornaments. So we have foam beads, glitters, beads, 2 bottles of Tiny Tides, 4 boxes of 2 glue packs. So we have like 8 and yeah, I think that's it. All right, let's go ahead and start making stuff. So we have the Jot white glue. So Jot glue is obviously not as good as Crazy Art or as Elmer's, but they're still pretty good. I actually made my first giant slime with a bunch of Jot glue. Alright, so we're gonna push that out. Alright, now we're gonna get our paint. I guess this is finger paint, so I hope that works. They don't really have very much coloring options at the dollar store. That's the one problem with it, but yeah. Anyways, here are our colors. We're gonna try and make this one red. Uh-oh, I hope this paint isn't too thin. It's probably obviously gonna be thin, but hope it's not too thin, you know? Let's grab that. Yay, it worked. Alrighty, well, I'm just gonna put that much because my fork is dirty now. Alright, and then we're gonna put some lotion. I love this lotion, actually. I like to use it for cloud creams. Oh, that was a lot, whoopsies. And we're gonna add some foam soap. Alrighty, now let's activate it. This is Simply Clean and Fresh. So it's not gonna be clear, it's actually blue. So hopefully that doesn't ruin the color too much. Did you not get one game? Alrighty, hopefully it doesn't change the color too much. Jot glue is already really hard to activate, guys, so maybe that's why. And then I added lotion and stuff, so. Guys, I don't know what happened, but this slime, it just took a complete poop. I don't know, it was terrible. Alrighty, well, let me just go ahead and clean this mess up really quick. And we're gonna go ahead and dispose of this slime, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, take 2. Hopefully this doesn't go bad. Squish! Squish! Alrighty, now. Uh-oh, where did my fork go? There it is. Why is it on the floor? Alright guys, we're gonna do this again. Hopefully it goes well. Alright, this time we're gonna add this baby oil gel because I wanna try it out and I feel like that one will like melt it less. Wow, that came out very fast. Hopefully this makes it like glossy, you know? Oh no, I forgot my paint. Alrighty, so for this one, I think we should make it yellow, at least try. It's probably gonna turn like a greenish after we put the activator. Yellow probably wasn't a good color to do. Very light. All right, let's mix that. You know, these paints aren't too bad. They also had some other paints and stuff, but this one was the most appealing to me. All right, we're gonna go ahead and add the activator. Oh, it turned into some weird gray color.
Whoa, Ameerah! This is the second one you ruined.
No, I didn't ruin it, okay?
Alright. Oh, never mind.
Alrighty, hopefully this does better this time. There, it's my slime. For some reason it keeps like turning into this really like weird mess and I'm not liking it. But the color's not too bad. Alrighty, so I guess now we can just add something. We're gonna add these pom-poms. Alrighty, hopefully these don't go everywhere and just like, oh my god, you know? Alrighty, here's my slime. It's not bad, right? Alrighty, well, I feel like maybe a mixture of Walmart and the dollar store would be good. Alrighty, well that is that slime. Let's go ahead and try another slime. Alright guys, so I didn't get Elmer's glue because there wasn't any Elmer's glue. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch this glue for this one bottle of Elmer's glue. Because I feel like the problem is it's the mixture of Jot glue and the Tide and it just doesn't go well together. So if it was Jot glue and liquid starch, it'd be fine, but it's not. So it's not fine. So yeah. They have these at the dollar store, there just wasn't any. So yeah. Alright, so we're gonna put our glue. There we go, we're gonna put that much. And we're gonna put some shaving cream. This is the wrong shaving cream. I like that they have raspberry shaving cream at the dollar store. Mmm, smells good. All right, and then for the color, we're gonna make it blue. Ooh, it smells so good. Anyways, let's go ahead and activate it. Try at least. Oh, it's activating, yay. I think it's activating actually like okay now. Yeah, I want to try Jot Glue with shaving cream, and then I also want to try with the liquid starch because I think it's just the mixture of the Tide, because the Tide's not very good at activating. It like bubbles up a lot, and it's the mixture of Tide and Jot. Jot is kind of thin and it uses a lot of activator. Alrighty, so we're all done with this. It is pretty good. It works, guys. Finally. Turned out really good, I think. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and add some of this glitter. Alright, we're gonna put this really pretty gold glitter. Ah, look at that. That's a really sparkly glitter for the dollar store. And now we're gonna add some foam beads. It's really cool because the dollar store is like one of the only places you can get foam beads like at a store. It's funny because it's the dollar store, so. Alrighty, here it is, guys. I think it turned out pretty good. So I put a little bit of these beads right here. I like this bag of beads because it's kind of like little charm things, you know? Just put a little sprinkle of them. Alrighty, next batch. Alright, we're gonna try this again, guys, with Jot Glue, but we're gonna put some shaving cream in it, so yeah. Shaving cream does kind of dry out the slime a little bit, so maybe that will help. Smells so good. Let's activate. Don't tell me it's overactivated. Really? It was like going so slow, and I finally decided to add a bunch more activator, and voila, there it is. Being a drama queen. Here's my slime. So nice, right? What if I just put a bunch of water? 1 second. Alrighty, I decided to add a bunch of water. Might as well because it's complete goobage. Alrighty, guys, so that water did not work. That little thing I did not work. Alright, now we're gonna try this again. Put a little bit of shaving cream. We're gonna make this one green. I didn't want to make green because the green kind of looks ugly, but whatever. It'll turn into like a light green. This paint is like food coloring. It's like clear. There we go. Let's see what happens. It's actually very, very nice. All right, let's go ahead and activate it. We're gonna add a little bit at a time. That's enough. No more overactivation. I'm done with that. Guys, it's like it gets to this state where it becomes kind of gooey and like thick and kind of, but like when you add more activator, it just completely overactivates. Alrighty, we're done. I did it, guys. I didn't overactivate. Still sucks. We're gonna add some more shaving cream because Paul said to. Paul thinks that we add more shaving cream, it will become better. I'm not sure about that, but I'll try anything at this point. Well, it got stiffer. And it's less like droopy. Alrighty, so we'll keep it like this. Now we're gonna go ahead and add a bunch of glitter. This pink one. Ooh, that looks pretty. We're just gonna spread it around, guys. This one is by far the best one I have made so far. Alrighty, well, I like this one a lot. I like the color, the texture. I mean, it's not the best. It seems like it's getting better though, like it's getting stretchier, but yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of these because I think they're really cute. I don't know, I like them. They're kind of like little charms to me. Ooh, that looks really cute. As I am going like this, it's getting better. It's getting stretchier, right, Paul?
Looks like it.
Alrighty, maybe we should just put this in the microwave. I'm gonna try one more thing, guys. I'm gonna try and activate the Jot with liquid starch. I'm gonna combine the forces of Walmart and the dollar store together, and they're gonna become united as one. Oh, you're recording me? Yeah. I'm gonna try and make a pink one again, you know, try again. This paint isn't too bad. It's kind of like food coloring though. I wanna add something of what I got, so I'm gonna add a little bit of lotion. Alrighty, let's activate with the liquid starch. This is way better than the Tide, guys. See, it was the Tide's fault, not the Jot. The Jot was completely fine. I think the problem is that Tide is like bubbly since it's a detergent, and Jot needs a lot of activator, so like when it's together it just became a bubbly mess, And the reason why liquid starch works is because it's not bubbly. So yeah, I think this turned out really, really good. So I'm gonna add some of these. Finally, I can make a saturated one of these like I been wanting to do. Let's see what happens. No, it's cute. I like it. Look at it, Paul.
I love it.
Look at it. I like it. I think it looks really cute. Gold glitter. I really like the glitter from the dollar store. There's something about it, you know? Alrighty guys, you guys got it. We guys will do a part 2 to this. And also tell me what you think about the dollar store. If you like the dollar store or Walmart better. I think probably a good idea is to mix the 2 stores together, or like, you know, mix whatever store you have with the dollar store, because the dollar store has a lot of nice other slime ingredients like lotion, foam soap, it's got glue, it's got hand soap and shaving cream. And then I think at Walmart you could get the slime activator and like maybe some Elmer's glue or something. I don't know. You guys comment down below what you think. And that is it guys. Thank you so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye!